So I found this video on a security camera coverage showing a Tesla Model S involved in a head-on collision. It's very severe. It looks like the car was traveling about 40 to 45 miles per hour. And the driver actually is able to walk away immediately after this incident. And the news was that there was no injury to the Tesla Model S driver, but there was injury to the vehicle that caused this head-on collision. Here's a close-up image. Although it's not clear, you can definitely see immediately after the collision, the driver walked away and suffered no injuries or scratches. This just shows how safe Tesla vehicles are, and as you can see, no fire. Here's a close-up image of it. Basically, the whole front is gone. So Tesla saving another life, but not making it to the major stream media coverage. What a surprise. Hopefully you find this video helpful. If you are in the market for a Tesla Model 3 SRX, definitely use the referral code link in the description of this video. This will help you get 5,000 free supercharging miles. Yes, 5,000, and this will be ending end of May. If you happen to order the Model 3 SRX in person or on the phone, make sure you give the sales associate the referral link. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.